Yes. What it is, man? It's your boy Conga Line Crypto, and I'm back with another one. How you guys doing out there? Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Hit that notification bell, and if you haven't signed up for Crypto.com, you could use my link to sign up. You get $25, and I get $25. That's the way to start your crypto journey. For all my crypto beginners that really hear about all these crazy gains that people making and you want to get on board, get on board. Do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. If you need financial advice, you got to check with a financial advisor. I just kind of show you guys the place that I'm in and how I do it. You understand me? Financial freedom is the key. If I can do it, anybody else could do it, man. So without further ado, what's good? What's good, man? Guys, Crypto.com looking bad right now. Crypto.com looking bad. We down 42 cent right now, man. You know what I'm saying? Tectonic is down, you know? So, wow. But anyway, man, let me get straight to it. I want to jump into the DeFi. I want to jump into these daps and kind of see what's going on. First of all, let me go to VVS. Check out my VVS, and VVS looking bad right now, but it's all good. That's the whole thing with crypto. As I said, it's a roller coaster. It's never staying, in a steady pace. It's up and down. It fluctuates, and you got to understand that. For the ones that doesn't understand that, I don't know what to tell you. All I can tell you, just do your research, because if you do your research, then you would know that that's how crypto goes. Crypto, it just don't go up, up, up. Because a lot of people start freaking out when they see the market red. But whenever the market red, it's time to buy. If you have money sitting there and everything is in the red, that's an opportunity to buy. You see what I'm saying? So that's what you guys, that's what everybody got to know that's in crypto. That when it's red, don't stress it. That's time to buy. And when it's green, that means you're making money. You understand what I'm saying? So we're just checking out, see what's going on here. See what's going on here. And I got my VVS. I got my VVS earning tonic. Yeah, I just harvest what I had in there. I had like 25, I think 20. I think I had like 25. I had like 25 in there, and I took a little bit of VVS out to do something else. But you guys see what it is, man. I'm still the market is down. As bad as VVS doing, but I'm still over here earning interest and my VVS, and that's what it is. Tonic is down, but I'm still earning interest because it's never stopped. It's not a day go by where I don't make money. You understand what I'm saying? So yeah, the market is bad. I'm not gonna lie, it's down right now. But once you have your DeFi wallet, once you do DeFi, the money trains never stop for you, man. And what you put in, the more you put in is the more you take out, and that's what it is. So that's what it is, guys. Let me go to MMF, and I just want to just go check on my staking pool and see how they're doing, because as I said, the market is bad, so I don't know how bad MMF doing, because I haven't checked this in a day. But right now I just know the market is down. So all right, I already see. Once I know, yeah, 45, that's way down. That's way down, guys, because I bought MMF at, I think the highest I bought MMF, I think it was like 80 something cent, and it's down 40 cent right now. So that just to show you the dip that this thing taking. But I'm holding on strong because I'm still earning interest whether the market go up or down. So that's just the good thing about, what I'm saying, doing the DeFi. Whether the market is up or down, you still make money. So that's what it is, guys. That's just a beauty. Financial freedom, as I said, is the goal, man. And DeFi is where it's at. I wish I would have known about DeFi 5 years ago. I would have been a rich man today. You know what I'm saying? But it's never too late, and that's why I'm telling you guys, do your own research, man. Get into DeFi. Learn about DeFi, because that's how the rich people stay rich. You know what I mean? They find ways to make their money work for them. And that's kind of what it is. Just imagine, for anybody out there, all that money done, you had in your lifetime, the money that you blow or whatever, if you were to get, and put some of that money to work. Because sometimes we do foolishness with our money, and I'm just saying, as you guys can see, man, look at the APY. 16,000 APY. That just is ridiculous, and I know they got higher than that, but I'm just saying, when I see these, this is ridiculous. You let your money sit here for 2 years, man, whatever. Man, you know. So that's kind of what I want to say, and I want to show you guys and get up out of that. Let me see. Yeah, man. So as I said, you guys gotta just buckle down and you know see what it is with DeFi, because DeFi is the way to go. DeFi is the way to go if you really want to make money with these coins, and make money when you got your coins. Because I didn't really know about DeFi, and I used to have my coins just sitting there not doing anything. And as I said, as you can see, man, the market is just bad. I'm down. Right here, I start with $75. And at one point in time, I was up to like 100 and something. I was up to like 120. And right now, I'm at 63, And I'm still getting interest in that. So I'm not even tripping, man, because I know it will come back up. Right here, I'm down. I'm $62. I started with 75 right here. My interest that I made is $5, and those are the Crow King. I got the Crow King coins. Those are what I'm earning right there. So, that's just the game. That's just the name of the game. You can't be scared when you're in this game. As long as you're making interest, and that's kind of what it is. That's kind of what it is about DeFi. Is like, you don't really worry. You don't worry if the coins are up or down, and because it's long term. It's not just it's not just a 2-day thing. It's long term. So, guys, these are the plays that I'm in, and as I said, I just want to show you guys MMF right here. I got $26 in there, and I'm earning MMO, and I got 75 cents of MMO. That's just interest that, So, where we at right here? Here I got the moon. I'm earning moon in this one, and I know I started with way more than $15 in here, but right now it's down to $15. But as I said, guys, that's just the nature of crypto. Crypto goes up, down, So, but overall, I'm not tripping. I'm not stressing. That's what it is. Let me check a few other. Go to MMO and see what's going on here. Oh, I'm looking. Yes, guys. DeFi is where it's at. And right now, the crypto market cap. The last time I checked, I'm gonna check again. But the last time I checked, the crypto market cap was up to $2 trillion, man. So, with everything in the red, so it's probably back down to 1 point something, But as I said, man, that's the nature of crypto. It doesn't go up. It's a roller coaster, up and down, So prepare yourself, do your research. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research, and once you do that, then you kind of see, you got an idea how this thing works, So that's what it is. Come on, this thing moving a little slow, but come on, MMO. Try to say it fast, and come on, MMO. Let's go. All right. It's taking a while to. Okay, for some reason this thing moving a little slow, so maybe I gotta back out and then try it again. Tectonic, I'll probably go to my VVS mine too, but I definitely want to see what's going on with my MMO, Yeah, definitely. Most definitely, I want to see what's going on with MMO because, yeah. All right, guys. Well, for some reason, this thing just moving super slow, and if that's how it's moving, I'm not gonna worry about it. I'll come back next time. But so far so good, man. You know, I don't really worry. Once I have all my you see all these daps, they got so many daps, guys. And as I said, you have to do your own research yourself because what works for me might not work for you. It's gonna work for you, but it might not work for you from the, you know what I mean? Because the point of view, everybody got their own strategies and things, the way they go about investing. So, but all these DApps here, guys, just, you know, get the DeFi wallet and check it out, man. Check it out. Don't let this train leave you, guys, because what I'm saying, man, crypto is still young, you know. $2 trillion market cap, that's nothing, you know. I see this thing go to easily go to a $10 million market cap and $10 trillion, not $1 million, $10 trillion market cap. So just imagine you get in crypto at a 1.9 trillion dollar market cap, and it jumped from 1.9 trillion dollar to $10 trillion. How much money you would make? Well, it all depends on what you buy, and that's why you really have to do your own research and you know, see what the project you get into, know what project to get into, you know, because you could make a lot of money. Not a financial advice. I keep saying, I'm gonna say that a million times, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm in my VVS pool just to check out and see what's going on here. Uh, you know, basic, just looking and know that no matter what, I'm still making money. You know what I mean? Even if it's 10 cent, I could take that. You know what I'm saying? Because if I, there we go. You know what I'm saying? I'm right here in the VVS pool. I'm in the auto VVS, and it's just, you know, I got a million VVS here, and I'm earning VVS, and it automatically compound all my VVS as taking them and put them back in the pot, and you know, keep running it up so I could run it up, basically. Okay, I got 14 million VVS right here. So far, I make $1.36, and it's not gonna stop. You know, that's the good thing about this. It doesn't matter unless VVS go to zero. You know what I mean? That's what it is. Unless your crypto go to zero, then you lose your money. But as long as it doesn't go to zero, man, you in good shape. You know what I'm saying? Okay, you in good shape. So that's kind of what it is, guys. As I said, the market is down. For anybody that know about crypto or in crypto, the market is down right now, but it doesn't. When it goes down, it doesn't stay down. When it goes down, is the time to buy. That's when you buy. Most people buy in the green, and I did it a few times. And you know, but that's just not the way to go. The way to go is buy in the red. You have to buy in the red. You buy when it's down, you know. So that's what it is, man. It's your boy Congo Lion Crypto. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Use my link and sign up and get your $25 so you can start your crypto journey. I'm going to keep bringing these content, and I'm going to let you guys see what's going on. This is what I'm in, show you guys the plays that I'm in and all that, man. So you guys stay safe out there. Get your DeFi wallet and start learning about DeFi. It's your boy Congo Lion Crypto. Peace.